Laban ng Sarangani versus Cebu, tampok ang former Mavs phenomenal player at former San Miguel Beerman na si Keith Jimenez. Bumabalik na ang kondisyon ang dating bata ni Coach Mavs. Grabe ang playmaking ability.
Ability to wow. I'm sure the Cebuanos would want to see a good show against those.
Well, he's got 4 boards in the game, and the Keith Jimenez
Connection that's fast track when you find
7-3 lang naman ang pinakawala ni Keith Jimenez. Ang lalayo ng tira halos nasa logo na ng court. Parang sinaniban ni Damian Lillard na hype pati mga commentator.
way downtown.
that earlier you brought up.
Panooding ang full game highlights hanggang dulo.
Dahil nga, drone na yung sa hero.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays.
Guard number 7, Keith Jimenez.
They're looking to have some sort of breakout against Jake Charles. Caliano in the lane, and he finds Destacamento for 2.
That's the reason why while attacking the basket. There you go, another pass to Alves, but Destacamento is there to clean it up.
Making Destacamento the shot difficult. Haliare will get to this and find Destacamento for 2.
I think that
Get the ball to Kit Jimenez. 10 seconds to work with. Kit, the step back 3 from deep. Good.
well, at least that went in. Aside from the fact that Destacamento and Alves are on the Sarangani team because of their motor.
3-point shot is brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances.
Ang layo na nga, stinepak niya pa.
Away from 28-30 feet out.
You're right, almost near half court. Yeah, that's a good basket. They're very aggressive here in the first quarter, and I'm sure this is going to continue. Dahil nga, they're only playing with 9 players. And the only guy I think who's gonna sub for him is Jameson Hero.
Bancane was going for the ball.
Yeah, he
really
was.
just catches Alves. Junji finds King inside. Beautiful move. Galing kay King Destacamento.
Well, itira niya na lang.
13-7. Santos from deep.
That's also another guy.
You know, taking a lot of shots, and that's play defense. Jimenez finds Destacamento.
I was under the impression that you
Destacamento as well. He's got 4 boards in the game. And the Kit Jimenez. Matic Ilonggo pala to si Coach Toto.
there really is a certain connection that's fast-tracked when you find out that somebody is also somebody from Europe. You mentioned Sidelf earlier, you brought up
12 points in the game, and all the way was all the way.
from the logo.
Yeah, parang sa MRT station galing na. Doon sa may EDSA. Yun no, na feel ko. Para perfect pa rin siya.
And he looks like he
Ni Gozo. Gozo leans in and knocks it down. Martin Gozo. First basket of the Langyan, boss ha. Basahan mo si Javi pag teammates kayo. Oh, grabe itong Sarangani ngayon. Iba offensively as well.
correct. And that's a nice thing because they're not just doing it offensively but also limiting. Now have been relegated to the bench unit, but they still have been able to contribute despite that.
Oh,
Bad
bad
shot.
Cebu. Bancale knocks down the jumper, the foul on Diputado.
He's just the offensive class. Ito si Larsunga.
Oh, De Los Santos, good catch.
They gamble on the double.
Will fire. No good. Inside, Escalambre. A shot, got it going to 36. Jimenez.
Oh, come on, kid.
Gusto niya step back. Ano ka ba, Javi? Gusto niya mas mahirap. 15 puntos na para kay aggressive Sarangani. Might get to 60 points before the end of the period, but what a shot! Jameson Hero.
He's always this kid is really has that ability to wow the crowd, but also hit him.
Finishing kick here in the first half. Nabitawan ni Checo Bancale. Jimenez ahead to Malyari for 2. Hit. Nice catch and nice finish. Nakala natin lahat, diretso niya na, pero yung pala fake.
Yeah.
Adlawan, the step back 3. Yes!
He actually has that in his back sa Joel Lee.
Don't even start with Joel Lee. Adlawan takes it all the way to the cup. Holkevist for 3, and it's good.
I remember during his collegiate days
Tema. At tulad nga na nakita natin sa first half, malaki yung tiwala sa kanya ng coaching staff na kaya niya magdesisyon and take risk kahit laban sa mga mas matatanda sa kanya.
that he definitely has a bright future in this league. We're already seeing it right now, the potential that he has. And the fact that he's a lot to how he's been performing here. Hindi niya sasayangin to.
Santos with a throwdown. Adlawan, another 3. Off to the right this time. And De Los Santos will finish with a reverse.
It's natin yan si Ton.
Ako, Ton, wala kang nakikita, no? Secretive ako eh. Secretive ako. I have a very private life. Ang Sarangani. Oh! Sunga finishes that wild seek of the period. Kit. Nabitawan ng bola. Ends up as a steal. Hero, yes! That will count. They will review it, but...
Nag-order,
Oh,
oo.
nakita
Nakita ko nga yun.
Nakita ko yung luto
Akala
ni
ko
Sid,
nga,
ha?
pinakita niya yun kasi magdadala rin sa
Okay, Martin Gozum also into double figures. Martel knocks down the 3.
I think what Coach Toto wants.
Vist launches the 3 off the glass and in.
They are trying to cut this down, that they get their affairs in order in the next 3 games. I'm sure the Cebuanos would want to see a good show against those top-notch teams in the league. That's Kit Jimenez's.
Inside, Gozum, another reverse. 81 to 104 is the count. Jeko for 3.
Whatever it's for him in this game.
Jimenez from way downtown.
He's making it tough right now. He is.
Malyari.
Ooh.
Alam ko yung reaction mo eh. Ilio, no good. Gomez will get the rebound. And
There
the
you go.
score. Para sa isang magandang panalo dito against Cebu. A really outstanding game from his team.
May results naman na nananalo kami kahit papaano.
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!